heart is nothing but the silence. See, we can understand things only when it is objectified. Can you show me the heart? Very sincerely, not in a negative way of asking question, but positive also. Because we have the idea to know something, a horse. Immediately we know a form, that is the horse. So we think heart, self, should also have a form. The silence is the heart. Noise is the brain. Not this external noise. Within us, the noise is thoughts. So it is not this physical organ brain, that is, when Maharshi said, one has to descend from the brain to the heart. That's the beginning of sadhana. In a gross form, we may take that brain is here and one had to descend, heart is here. Whenever you silence yourself from thought, you have already descended from the brain to the heart. It's merely a symbol. Like cross is the symbol of Christianity. A linga, which you see in any Hindu temple, it's the symbol of God. It is not God. Cross is not Christianity. But unconsciously also, the moment you see cross, either if you are a true Christian, you start doing this, or a person like me who is devoted to Master Jesus Christ, I become very happy to see a cross.
So it's a reminder.
It's a reminder. It's a symbol. So descending from brain to the heart is merely a symbolic representation. Since we can understand only as an objective presentation, Maharshi has used descendance from the brain to the heart is the beginning of sadhana, which means we are always filled with thoughts. Try to release yourself from thoughts and reach the realm of silence. And releasing oneself from the thoughts and reaching the realm of silence is always in the now. Because now is the heart, now is the silence, now is the I am.